Well, good afternoon. Well, at least it's afternoon here. So another day, another 6 inches of snow outside, but don't get me started on that. Anyways, what am I doing today? Well, I'll tell you. I had one of my subscribers, Scrap Rodriguez, that's his page right there. He's from Texas, no snow there. Anyways, he had commented on this nice pile of transformers I got going here. So I said, well, I'll tell you what. I'll take some of them apart for you to show you, and you'll be shocked how much copper is inside them. So I'm going to do that. And take a few of these babies apart, weigh them. Got a new battery for my scale. And without further ado, let's get going. So I've done this a few times before, but the way I open these transformers up is I cut the welds with the bandsaw. Other guys use a grinder to cut it. If I didn't have the bandsaw, that's probably what I would do too. Other guys take a big hammer and they just beat on that until it breaks. You can do that too, but I mean seems like unnecessary work to me. And if you're like Project Shop Florida, he's got that hydraulic press for busting them apart, but he'll do 100 of them at a time, 200 of them at a time, so that's more of a commercial application. So for my little setup, this is what I do. Just give a little shot of WD-40 there. This makes the blade last longer. And if you line up the blade properly, it saves you time. Oh yeah, by the way, headphone warning. I'll knock the sound down anyways, but so I didn't get that one quite where I wanted it, but it'll come apart. Just you wait. So if you get those just right, I could feel the winding fall apart. So then we take it over here. I gotta get working on these. Gotta get these out of the way anyway. So here's where a bit of hammer action comes into play. Just like that. The side's a little less cooperative because I cut it wrong. Out of practice. If done correctly, virtually effortless. Like so. So then, of course, we're wearing our gloves. These little things here are very sharp. Certainly don't want those sticking into your fingers. Okay, so now there's always these two little pieces in the side. Those usually just pop out like that. Then just give that a little squirt of WD-40, bring it back to the vise, put it in that way. Coil number 1. As always, friction is the enemy. Anything to overcome friction. And just be cautious because you don't want that falling on your toe. It's come close a few times. Just that fast. So let's do another one. Too much junk on the old bench. So this guy, actually this is a slightly different one. So, is it? Yeah, I'll stick with this one. So I just want to scribe a quick line. What I'm looking for is where that lamination ends. If I can cut it right there, like I say, they fall right apart. Oops. Close enough. So, back to the vise. It's the most valuable tool in your shop is a good vise. That's my advice. Okay, headphone warning. Okay, so that first one, I got that one just right. Time for a camera check. Appears to be working. Okay, so I felt that pop. Say if you cut those just right, you can tell when you're through. Back over here. Pop those little side pieces out. bulk WD-40. That's your friend around the shop too. Oh, headphone warning. Okay, so of course this one has to be difficult. Sometimes they pop right out. Sometimes they don't. So we just got our brass drift here. Very annoying. Let's get that first one out and we'll be good. And careful of the toes. Oh, see? Dropped one. Even after warning myself, I dropped it. Okay. Another coil. Whoa. So those came out a lot easier. Let's do one more. What do you say? I say yes. Alrighty, headphone warning. Okay, I didn't get that one quite right. Should have popped and it didn't. Yeah, that one was good. And just gotta flip it over, hit the chisel there. And apart it goes. This one should pop right apart. Yes, it did. roughly. Yeah, this one's quite a bit looser. The coil's already moving. Yep. Yeah, so I think these are gonna try and fall out. Yep. Try and injure me. Not today. Well, not so far today. Let's see. Let's do one more. Let's see, the side better. Let's try and do the same thing every time. Try to do the same thing every time. Headphone warning. Didn't quite get that one the way I wanted it. No big deal. I think I missed both those. Worst one yet. Instead of getting better, I'm getting worse. How can be? Totally messed this one up. Oh well. Just takes a few extra seconds if you don't get the cutting it right. That's all. Yeah, I should have quit at 3, but like I say, it just adds a few extra seconds to the process. Out. Little spritz. Back to the vise. Okay, so I have a feeling these coils will probably fight me too, but oh well. A little bit. They're trying. I knew it. When you know it, you know it. Why so hard? So when you have trouble getting that first one off, invariably hit these really hard, and that's when they shoot out and try and land on your foot. Okay, push that one out of the garbage. Okay, let's get our rejuvenated scale. Works much better with a battery. Okay, so that was these 4 transformers. That didn't take very long. You know, 10-15 minutes at the most. What do we got? So right there, 23 pounds right on the button. So right now, I'm not planning on taking any copper in until the spring, but I think right now for number 2, it's about $4 a pound. So, close to $100 right there. So this is why I like transformers. So anyways, scrap Rodriguez. That's what's in that pile. Just have to get at it. I got to get in the routine where I start doing some every day. Because I got these, and that's the bigger pile over there. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that. I will try and remember to leave a link to Scrap Rodriguez, something like that, page in the comments. Thank you, and we'll see you all later. Bye for now.